our emotions. Thought and feeling or emotion plays a clear role in what we are, our outer reality. Our whole practice is about changing our state of being, which is a combination of our thoughts and feelings. There is a mental rehearsal that is done. A group is asked to exercise the little finger. Contract, expand, one of the fingers. In 20 sessions, every day for 1 hour, one group of participants are doing that. Just thinking about it. One group is doing physically. Another group did not do anything but start thinking about it. For 1 hour, they would think, I'm contracting, I'm expanding, contracting, expanding. They're not doing physically, but they're simply thinking. It's called mental rehearsal. It's called visualization or dreaming. So one group doing physical, another group just visualizing that they are doing it. And again, at the end of 4 weeks, the group that did physically had a 30% strength of the muscle for that finger in 4 weeks. But the group that did not do physically, but just merely visualized, had a 22% increase in the strength of the finger. So thoughts, mental rehearsal, our emotions that we exhibit in our body, both are influencing their outer reality. In one case, they could increase the strength of the body. In another case, they could regulate the sugar levels in the body. The placebo effect is there. That's where it comes from. The placebo effect of thinking that I'm getting well just through my own thoughts and feelings can actually heal the body significantly. Those who are doing knowingly, those who are doing unknowingly. In order to change our brain neural circuits, it all starts from identifying and asking questions to be different, identifying our old self, observing what am I, and then asking a question about what do I want to be. The moment we start asking questions, when you ask questions, then we are driving. That very thought is coming from this frontal lobe. A frontal lobe, or this whole neocortex, the whole brain, the frontal lobe is considered the CEO, which is when it is active, then it is directing. So when we visualize, when we mentally rehearse, it's all happening from this frontal lobe. Because we're actively using the power of mind, and that function of visualization is coming from this frontal lobe. And when we are visualizing, then often we are directly in a singular thought, unified thought. And then it is going and then activating different parts of the brain to know more about that thing that we are visualizing, that thing that we are asking that question about. Inquiry. That's why many spiritual practices say you start with an inquiry, then automatically you will start finding answers, start changing. Because that inquiry, wanting to know, wanting to change, wanting to feel is an intention. So when you have an intention, then neurologically, the frontal lobe, the seat is driving a whole bunch of signals into the brain for it to access things that are different or that are supporting that very thought and intention.